Hello students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of integration, that is exercise 8.7. Look at this problem, integral dx by e power x minus e power minus x. So this can be written as e power x minus 1 by e power x, right? So take the LCM, that will be brought to the numerator, e power x dx by e power x e power x e power 2x minus 1. So let that e power x equal to t, e power x derivative e power x dx equal to dt. So integral dt by, this is t square minus 1. So looks like 1 by x square minus a square dx, that is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c, right? So this will be 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. So 1 by 2 log mod t means what? E power x minus 1 by e power x plus 1 plus c. Therefore integral dx by e power x minus e power minus x equal to 1 by 2 log mod e power x minus 1 by e power x plus 1 plus c. That is the first question. Look at the second question. So we should take one supposition here. Here I will take integral 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx. Let x equal to cos theta I am taking, dx equal to cos theta derivative is minus sin theta d theta. So integral 1 plus cos theta by dx means minus sin theta d theta. 1 plus cos theta we can write 2 cos square theta by 2. This is 2 sin square theta by 2 minus sin theta d theta, right? From the multiple and submultiple angles. Okay. Wherever we have 1 plus cos theta, we can write 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta means we can write 2 sin square theta by 2. And sin theta formula 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Right? So 2 gets cancelled. Here cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 into sin theta means I am writing 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 d theta. Okay? Sin theta by 2 gets cancelled. Minus 2 integral cos square theta by 2 d theta. This can be written as 1 plus cos theta by 2, right? Or 2 cos square theta means we can write directly 1 plus cos theta, we can write directly d theta. So integral 1 d theta, cos theta integration is sin theta. So minus sin theta plus c. Okay? But what is my assumption there? Cos theta equal to x. So theta means cos inverse x minus sin theta means we will have root 1 minus cos square theta, that is x square. Right? So that is the final answer. Therefore, integral 1 plus x by 1 minus x under root dx equal to minus cos inverse x minus root of 1 minus x square plus c. That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.